let's say I've got an image and I want to make it fade out into the background on the left hand side. If I shortcut G, you can find a gradient tool. It might also be hidden as a paint bucket tool. And what you'll do, let's say I want it to fade out into white, I'll select the gradient with a white background and I will draw across a line from where I want it to fade out into. And you can repeat this so it goes over. Now that works fine. However, if the background is a different colour, you can fade it out using the opacity. So I'm just going to hit Control, Alt and Z to undo those. What I'll need to do is create a layer mask in the bottom right corner. Where the layer mask works is that anything with a black hue will be hidden. So if I go onto my brush tool and I got a black colour, if I colour over any area, you can see that it's removing it from the image. Well, I mean, it's not really removing it, it's simply hiding it. I'll create a layer mask and I'll select onto the black faded out to opaque gradient. And what I'll do is on the layer mask is if I draw this over, you can see that it starts to fade out. And if I remove the background, you can see that it's actually removing the image altogether. It's not just adding a colour. And so if I add a new layer and I colour fill this layer red, you can see that it still fades out into that colour. Layer masks, really cool way of creating complex images.
All the best with it. Let me know if you need any help, and I look forward to seeing what you produce.